Hello, Tommy here again, and I think I just about got it right. Here we go. It's the stuff I used. Just, cheap tools or whatever. This right here is the new one that I just put together. And it does have some flaws. I've had, if you can see right here, putting that roll pin in the bolt catch right there, that was a bitch. All the little pins were a bitch, but actually all in all I think it came out pretty good. Function check. Let's pull back the hammer. It goes. Pull back the hammer, put on the safety, no go, safety off, goes, and it's the same with this one here, and then pull it, safety on, no go, safety off, bam, there we go. I don't know how well you can see this, but yeah, it was a challenge. But it was fun, a lot of fun. Okay, I want to see if I can place this somewhere where you can watch me put this stuff together. No. Hello. See? Okay. Alrighty. I had to buy this. We had to buy, the bolt carrier group. I got that from Cheaper Than Dirt. And the handle. And let's see if I can do this one-handed, or I have to set it somewhere. Because actually I want this